Hello everybody, today is December 22 and now we introduce to you this machine is automatic N95 head-bound mask machine. This machine speed is 20 to 25 piece in 1 minute. Okay, let's show the mask. This is finished sample, you can check. Okay, we can try. Now in China, is winter is very cold now. So in winter you use the N95 is much better. And for a long time you used head for this headband. It won't hurt your ear. Okay, we can check the finished sample. The welding is very good, the welding part. And this is current logo. And this is use the printing. Use the printing. You can write a word, print your logo. It's also the logo. The current he decided to put them on the mask. And this is in the nose pin. You can see. It can adjust the nose pin length. You can say no distance. It is very good. Okay, let's introduce the machine from the end to the head. This machine is very long, about 9 meters long. And this machine we have the 6 roller filling part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the first step, working step is for the automatic feeding nose pin into the mask. You can see these. You can see very clearly nose pin how it input the mask, and then we put the 2 fan on the top of the mask mold and 2 fan, high strong fan under the mold, so the mold can be more quickly to be cold. And you can choose to put your logo on the mask mold. Also, you can add the printing machine. This is the printing machine, like this. The printing. It is look very well, and this machine is a special part is for the welding part, because this machine is used the headband, not the ear loop. So it is very special. It use this clip to get the ear to get to the band ear loop to here, and the welding together. And the different lengths. So the welding head use one ultrasonic, and the other use one ultrasonic. Ultrasonic is 20K 2000 watts. And you can see you will use the steel to get to keep the earlobe to far away the second bound. So this part is different than other normal N95 use the ear loop. And this machine speed is 20 to 25 piece in 1 minute. Okay, here is the touch screen. We have English and Chinese system. Also, you can choose your country language. No problem, just change. When the mask running here, because the 2 band is different length, so we design this clip. This clip get the earlobe to top to up, and then use this roller to get this earlobe to make sure not cut the earlobe. And then running here, okay, this is mask output part. You can see very good. Okay, we can check the machine parts. This machine uses 4 piece ultrasonic. One is for the mask body, and 2 is for the welding head, and the other one is use the edge sealing. This is edge sealing mold. You can see. This is 18K 2600 watt. And you can see in the box. And we use this ultrasonic to ultrasonic for the welding part. This is 80K 2000 watt. You can see. Okay, here have another ultrasonic for the mask body molding part. And this machine uses 2-piece small motor. Two-piece swan motor, 会穿 swan motor. Okay, this is our machine workshop. Install workshop. You can see we have a lot of machine in stock. So if you make an order, we can send the machine to you immediately. Very big. This all is the N95 workshop. This is finished sample.